Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make protected range in Google Sheets. Well, what do you want to know? How to make protected range in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I'm going to show you how to make protected range in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, we have some cells like this. We want to protect it from any another editor if you shared it with many editors. Okay, we can just select it, right click on it and view more cells action and protect range. Okay, enter description, protected cells. Okay, we can choose the range, so we already selected. We can protect all the sheet if we want to. Okay, now set permission, show warning, or just restrict who can edit it. Who can edit it? Only you or custom? Custom if you had many editors, you want to choose who can edit it or who can't. Let's choose only you and press done. Now the cells have been protected. Okay, now we can cancel the protection by clicking here, delete range, or change permission. Okay, let's delete it and click remove. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to make protected range in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.